I know. We actually had a bit of a break from the heat that we had last week, but still feels really warm because we are in summer. So here's a quick look at our August summary. We actually saw the last few days we hit below average conditions, and that's because our average temperature for the metro area about 85 degrees. So we're looking at a really hot afternoon here, especially as you get away from the coast. Take a look. This is our Santa Monica camera. There's a little bit of haze. We have temperatures right now in the low 70s. Winds are coming in a little bit breezy from the south-southwest, about 8 miles per hour. But this is the place you want to be, especially because we're already looking at temperatures climbing up into the 80s as you head inland. Areas like Simi Valley and the Newhall Pass, we're almost at triple digits for the Lancaster area, which is one of the hot spots today. 86 for Van Nuys, 83 for Burbank, and then right near the airport, we're looking at a nice comfy 72 degrees, 76 for Long Beach, and then once we head down the coast a little bit more, Garden Grove and Irvine topping out at 80 degrees. Same with Anaheim. And then we're starting to see a little bit more of the oranges and the reds here. So 84 for San Bernardino, 89 for Moreno Valley. We're already topping out in the low 90s for Hemet, for areas like Yucaipa and then Beaumont, and then toasty already for the mountain communities for Big Bear. UV index today, we're at a 10, so it is very high. So that sun angle is really strong right now, and what that means is without any sun protection on at all, you can get a sunburn. So it's one of those afternoons, if you live away from the coast, grab the hat, the sunglasses, the sunscreen, drink plenty of water, find the shade. If you don't have any of that sun protection, as I mentioned, it only takes 15 minutes to get a sunburn. Today's going to be the warmest day of the week. It's going to also shrink our marine layer over the course of the next few days as we are tracking a high pressure system sitting out to the east. Tomorrow's the day where that high gets a little bit closer, pushing in a little bit more of that monsoonal flow. So get ready for widespread thunderstorms over the mountains and deserts tomorrow and also into Thursday. So our chances actually start to really increase for our mountain communities for rain, for those thunderstorms. You can see going up tomorrow, Thursday, even staying around till Friday, and then the chances start to diminish as we head toward the weekend. So over the course of the next 18 hours, we're looking at these pop-up thunderstorms, still very possible for the low deserts and some of the mountains and some of the high desert communities. But again, tomorrow this activity will be a little bit more widespread because that monsoonal flow really starts to surge as this high pressure system gets a little bit closer, and you can see what happens with that high pressure system. It's going to start to funnel in a lot of that moisture, that unstable air. So that is why our storm chances begin to increase. Then by the end of the week into the weekend, that high pressure system goes away. Take a look at that 7-day forecast. That LA and Orange County are basically staying in the mid 80s through the end of the week. Valleys 101 today. You get a bit of a break as we head into the second half of the week in the upper 90s, and then you continue to drop to the low 90s by the weekend. Same thing with the Inland Empire. Beaches 77 today, tomorrow and Thursday. By the weekend, we're looking at temperatures dropping to the low 70s on Sunday. High desert communities 108 today, some of the hottest temperatures around as we head toward the afternoon, and then you finally get a little bit of a break going to the low 100s, and then the mountain communities, slight chance of thunderstorms, but that better chance, as I mentioned, for Wednesday and Thursday. But as we look ahead, the weekend looks nice, upper 70s. Back to you.